Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the Eero system with your existing router and choose the correct network mode. So first of all, what you need to do is you just have to simply connect your primary Eero to the existing routing using the Ethernet cable. Then you need to plug one end into the router's LAN port on the other into the Ethernet port on Eero, and then you just have to power on your Eero device. After doing so, you just have to simply launch the Eero application on your phone, then tap on the option of setup new network, and the application is going to basically detect the Eero automatically and guide you through the installation process as well. So once the setup is completed successfully, you need to decide how do you want to use Eero. If you want to basically existing router to continue managing your network, simply go to the Eero application. Then you just have to go to the settings. Inside the settings, you just have to look for the option of the network settings and then select the option of DHCP and net, and then you just have to simply select the bridge mode. So this is going to prevent the double net issues that can affect the gaming, the VPNs and the port forwarding. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.